you buy him booze is the same reason why she's buying him booze. And remember when you said things happen where he chooses her. Even in your presence, he chooses her. He's hurt you, Anonymous. Do you understand that? Right?
Yes, I do.
And come on, when you were pregnant and you were saying to him, hey, unomoyo movie, whatever, it was stupid of him. He was probably even cheating before. Okay. I'm not even going to say you. Every man knows that, women go through emotional ups and downs when they're pregnant. So whatever they say is never a reason to cheat. Hence I'm saying, he was probably even cheating on you before. Okay? Now, he went and impregnated somebody else while you were pregnant. He put your health at risk and the baby's health at risk as well. You gave birth. He's still choosing this lady over you right now. When you are still fighting for this on your own. Right? And that's why uzokwatela nezinto that don't even make sense. Yeah, she buys and bullshit, you do the same. Yeah, she does this, you do the same. But at the end of the day, Anonymous is whatever he's going through in life right now, he's chosen her over you. Don't fight for this guy. And Anonymous, it's okay losing. And it's okay losing to that other woman.
You say he has a problem, but you started all this. If he has a problem and you have a problem with that, just leave him.
Just he chose that other woman, so because of actions, so she just needs help. Thank you.
Ladies, stop blaming witchcraft when we no longer want you. Okay? When we no longer want you, that's it. As in phone, we've had enough. It's not witchcraft. All right. Do you know who the witch becomes in this situation?
Who?
The one saying it's witchcraft. Because now you are blaming other people for witchcraft. Gandai umtarati. Woe. And this is the reason why singan food. Nkuluma kakhulu.
Brought to you by SABC Sport.
The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
It's 25 minutes after 10 o'clock. Glad to say that Nakeso, they're both back. They're in the building. The Naked DJ, of course, Somizi is here as well. And we've got Anonymous on the line. Let's get straight into it. Good morning, Anonymous.
Good morning.
How are you?
I can be better.
Ooh. Well, that's why you are here. Anonymous, I'm going to read the house rules and then we'll get straight into it. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Please maintain respectful language, refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
I agree.
We're listening. The gents are here.
Okay, I don't even know where to start this story because it's really one big complex one, and yeah. So I've been with my partner, who's also the father of my kids, for about 14 years now, and there's just been those ups and downs, in relationships, and the mega one happened last year when I actually found out that he has been seeing somebody throughout our relationship. And not only that, we got to a point where I was not talking to him. I did not even want to see him. I even threw his stuff out of the house, and it was a whole big mess, and he was refusing to leave. I even had to call police on him. I said, absolutely not. I've been with a snake, literally. I look at you with so much admiration. It doesn't mean guys don't want me. I get these offers all the time, but I chose you. I chose us and our family. So So we broke up for quite a while. I did not talk to him. We were literally separated. And he came back the other day and he sincerely apologized and he said, look, I love you, I love our family, and I want to do right by us, you know. So I gave him the chance, you know, and that was like late last year. No, he came back early this year. Fast forward, we've been okay. We've honestly been okay, and we even went to look at rings. Finally, he has arrived to that point because I wanted to look like I'm the one who's forcing me for us to get commitment. I wanted it to come from his heart. He's proposed verbally before, but I felt like, look, I'm not in that space to do it then because I didn't have the level of confidence in us on that level because even financially I've been carrying a lot, you know. So I was like, no, you need to work yourself up first. You need to show me that you are the man that you want, you know, you want to claim you are in my life and in the kids' life. So, so he was busy working on his tender things, and he was struggling with this document. And I said, look, give me your phone. Let me quickly send it to you via WhatsApp, you know. And he gives me his phone, and guess what? I'm seeing
What?
I'm seeing the same mystery woman, the lady in red. She's
why you
my man.
Why are you clapping?
Why
are you clapping?
Why?
My man. Angithi njalo mangithi ningabayixoyileli. Nina, bo forgive us, Father. We are the children of the Handarusha. Waxolila wena, kanti uxolila.
Was it just a text, Anonymous?
It doesn't matter, Nikki.
Anonymous, you are jumping to conclusions.
I'm so happy asking that question.
Yeah.
It was
Wait. Anonymous, before you answer us and take us to last year. Let me might as well go to the headlines. Now we'll come back, Anonymous.
Okay.
Oh, this lady in red. Let's go to the lady in burgundy with the 10:30 news.
Turn up the volume and let the good times roll. On the radio. You're locked in to Metro FM, your ultimate destination for the hottest tracks and non-stop entertainment.
Slow it down and listen.
The heartbeat of the nation, Metro FM. It's where you want to be.
31 minutes after 10 o'clock, Anonymous on the line, the naked DJ, Somizi, right here. Anonymous found out last year that her long-term partner for 14 years had been having an affair with another woman for many years as well while they were together. She broke up with him at that point, but after months of separation, he came back, persuaded her to get back together with him. Their relationship has been great since getting back together. However, about a week ago, she found out that he's still in contact with the lady that led to their breakup, the lady in red. Anonymous, are we on the same page?
Absolutely, because we're absolutely on the same page. So,
right.
So, you know, that actually crushed me because I'm like, oh, okay, no, the interesting part, I said to him, hold on, so you're still in touch with this woman. And he makes me this Dululu woman. He says, actually, I think this number is still saved on my phone from the Google, you know.
No, but hold on, Anonymous. What did the text say? Because you said... what did the text say? How? Because you said...
No, so the text, they were chatting. Apparently, the lady bought another car, right?
Okay, and congrats to her.
So the gent in red now, which is now my partner, because, I mean, that's what I'm taking it as now, was responding around the news, you know. So...
What did he say?
What news?
It's about a car, Anonymous. Congratulations.
No, what does my partner have to do with her buying a car? I mean, that's the introduction, and he claims that they were not talking before. I'm like, there's no way she can be so free and let you know when she's bought a Doro.
Aye, Anonymous. We just jump into conclusions, but it's okay.
It's not possible.
Jump.
Somebody who actually wrecked your home on that level, how do you still give them that space in your life to even respond or even entertain them? That's where I'm at. He said the same thing like you, Naked. He said, look, I'm jumping the gun. I have every right to jump the gun because this guy was doing big things behind my back for 14 years. And he had promised that he's done with her. And then for me to see that they're still talking, whether it's about an Uno or a golf, it really bothers me that much because he came with that thing that I'm coming back for my family and I'm done with the nonsense, which is not true.
Okay. So fast forward, where are you guys now?
Fast forward, girl was called by my mom. He was there, and even in the conversation, the lady's like, no. Lady in red is like, we are no longer together. Yes, we were together, but not anymore. And my mom is like, was acting to be the aunt to the brother in red, which is my partner. And she was fresh. She thought now she's been welcomed in the family. They're even talking about the new car that she has bought, So there's really something, the edginess around my partner, because my mom said, I want to ask her questions. And when it was time for questions, he hung up the phone so that that opportunity does not happen. So there is more to the story, and yes, it might look like I'm exaggerating over a text, but that is cheating on its own. That shows that, for me, I'm taking it that he doesn't want to change. I don't think he has changed. Maybe he has just been deleting texts and calling behind the doors anyway, and now he just happens to be caught right-handed.
Anonymous, you said he'd been cheating throughout your relationship.
Yes, with the same lady. I only found it last year.
Who says you aren't the lady he's cheating with? Because, Anonymous, you don't even know the chronological order, Yahori, who he started dating. Because, he's never said this. If she's been there from the beginning, because you said throughout the relationship, you don't know if she's been there from, even before you got there. That's the thing. And now, this guy, it's been over 15 years or 14 years. He's been just your partner. And even he showed Hori, he's not really that interested. A proposal after getting caught cheating is not a proposal, Anonymous. I think you and I both know. And,
true.
When I'm a man that cares about my money, when I know that when I have problems with tender documents, there's this one that is really good with it. You think I'm going to try fumble my bag? I'm not.
So, Naked, you're saying I'm a handbag now.
No. I said.
What are you saying?
Ask him.
No, I said. I said, Anonymous, you have no proof, Yahori, if you are the first woman or the second woman. The woman's been there throughout the whole time. There's this thing where when we are in a great relationship with a person, remember, you are in a great relationship with him. And remember, a person is not cheating until they are caught cheating. You get what I mean? Because when you're living this life of bliss, a person is not cheating until you catch them cheating. So you could be woman number 2, and maybe he didn't want to break your heart all this time. You chose to have 2 of his kids, and you are writing his tender documents. That's his bag. That's his money. He's not going to fumble that.
Where are you now, Anonymous?
She's in the house.
Sure. Where am I in terms of space or in my head or like...
Your relationship?
No, he's home. They called him at home. They said he needs to come home. They're tired with this nonsense because...
When you say they call him at home, your family?
No, his family. They told him he needs to come home. Like, he is old enough, he is, but they're Zulu like that. They're like, we are tired with you and this nonsense, so you need to come home so that you can really understand what's happening with you. So he's been home, and I don't talk to him. Like, he wished me a birthday the other day. It was my birthday, but I just don't talk anything with him at this point. I feel like I actually will take your words, Samizi, so seriously, because it's enough. It's enough because the trauma that just keeps coming back, you remember the past, and then just when you're still trying to heal, this happens. It's just too much.
Okay.
It'll get to a point where I won't recover, and I don't want that. So yeah.
Why did you call us then? why did you call us? Because you seem to
I
know
need
exactly
advice.
on.
I need honestly advice. I want to really hear to get Ngempela, could he be cheating or did I really jump the gun like Naked is saying?
Okay, all right. Here we go. You shouldn't have forgiven him in the first place. You I think for me again another rule that I will want to advise people on. You can maybe, this is my rule, not anyone else's, but it's my rule. Take it or don't take it. I believe personally that it can be easier to forgive somebody who volunteered the information of his wrongdoings than a person that I had to catch. Those are two different scenarios. If my partner came to me and went, baby, I feel so bad. I did this and that. If you leave me, I understand, but please forgive me. I would consider forgiving that person versus a person who I had to be a private investigator and catch them. And when I catch them, they come up with a lot of stories and I would never forgive that person. And that's my advice I would give to someone who's in the same situation. In your situation, again, for the second time, he did not volunteer. He had an opportunity to go, yo, baby, please don't take it bad. Smakaling told me she bought a car and I said congratulations and that's it. It would be a different scenario. You also, again, had to catch her times 2. And chances are, I don't think they were ever separated.
Can we just clear something here? Anonymous, is this a second side woman?
No.
Or is it the same one?
No, it's the same one.
The same one.
And last year, actually, I caught some maternity cover emails. So I guess they're trying to have a kid, and he claims that kid doesn't exist. So, you
understand? There's a lot going on here. I don't think they were ever separated. In most cases, not all, again, emphasis on not all, in most cases, when someone is caught cheating, you have disturbed their choreography. So they don't just go, I'm going to leave it. They go, you teaching to step in. Now let's choreograph better. Instead of doing the tango, let's do the twalata. So that she doesn't find out, because now she's used to the tango. Let's do the twalata. So in most cases, again, not all, people who are caught cheating, they find a better way of cheating because there's still feelings involved with the person that they're cheating with, and they can't just abruptly go, hi, Asiege. They go, let's take a break. Breathe. Baby, I'll be back. And she goes, of course, baby, you'll be back. And then they find a way of coming back together, hoping that this time they will never be caught. So, Mina, if I were you, leave this guy, heal, co-parent, and don't ever consider. Because again, what brought you back, I don't think what brought you back is the love for him. What brought you back is the perfect picture that he painted for you. The perfect family, the mother, the father, and the 2 children. And that was sold to you. And now, because that's part of your achievement, ticking 20 boxes, you fell for it.
Sure.
Correct?
Yeah, no, got you.
I don't think you went back because you are still in love. You love him, but you're not in love with him because he's broken you so many times, and it's broken you so big that it was not easy for you to make. Trust me, if you went back again, you are going to live a traumatic life because every time it's out of sight, you are going to have ideas and panic attacks, and don't. It's not worth it, Sissy. Think about what you're going to be going through versus you walking away and going to cry. Mourn him, cry, because he was the love of your life. Akasekho ushile emhlabeni ulwa nento ebudima ebuyima uyiphethile.
And, Anonymous, the thing is, 14 years later, it's too late to be calling family meetings now. Like, Anonymous, you are not ready for the truth. You are not ready for the truth. And let me tell you, this guy knows how soft and how weak you are. That's why he's tried not to break you further. You aren't ready for the truth. And even also think, Jorge, when now he comes and he tells you, actually, when you are claiming that he's cheating, and when I said to you, Anonymous, you could be the person he's cheating with. So when he comes and says, actually, you are number 2 or 3 in line. I've had babies. I've had this, and I've been trying to save you all this time. Be prepared for all that. Okay?
Yeah, no, got you. Yeah, I think more than anything, that trust is just gone. It's been shattered, and I mean,
it's not that.
Yeah,
trust.
I tried.
It's your
No,
dream.
I really
your
tried.
dream, like Somizi said. You were looking at this guy like a dream, and you forgot. You actually overlooked all the red flags all these years. 14 years of overlooking red flags, because shiny things do blind us, Anonymous. Okay. Yeah.
Anonymous, can I just ask the gent something? I don't remember if it was Somizi or you Naked, where you mentioned that sometimes the side helps a marriage. You know, for 14 there we go. Yes, so 14 years the side has been present.
But we don't know who the side is.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No,
but didn't
in
it
this case,
help?
They can stop planting wrong seeds. In this case, this lady, other lady is the
Yes.
side.
100%.
She's
okay.
officially married to this guy. Oh, I mean,
Who's married?
No, not married. They've been
Ivana.
together for 14 years. They've got, you could
So
be right.
you've never heard of
You
people
could be right.
that
Make it- no, 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 no.
So
Make it- I take it
whoa,
back.
whoa.
I take it back.
Whoa,
I take it back. I take it back. So they were not married for 14 years.
Yes, they weren't.
I see. Naked could be right. Naked could be onto something. Wait when I'm
But what if the side was helping the marriage or the relationship?
Yeah, no.
Somehow to survive.
There's no such as the side is helping the marriage. I'll tell you.
Or the relationship.
Or the
in her
relationship.
case, yes.
In a way, you could be correct, Kuto. In a way, because in most cases, the side helps the marriage in things that are mainly physical than emotional.
Okay.
She gives great sex.
That's right.
Because she's a freak, and then the wife does not want to do certain things.
Yes.
You know, the side does not ask a lot of questions that irritate, you know,
The person.
the person.
The sides are headache tablets.
Yes, and that's how temporal they are.
That's right.
They fix temporarily.
Yes.
And then abo main ama antibiotics.
Yeah. Abonyamezela.
Abonyamezela.
Take 2 nyamezelas
No,
every
and
morning.
Before you go, there's one thing I need to mention. Sorry. During that call with my mom and everything, and his other aunt, he now mentions the fact that he could be a polygamist. Oh, Nkosi yami.
Oh, ayisuka akho polygamy leyo ikhansele uphethe ubuherebeshe nje.
Yes.
Akho polygamy. Don't even entertain it. But anyway, he can still be a polygamist without you in the picture. And so please don't.
Yes.
You're going to stay there at your own risk, and like you said, you might never recover again. Uzokuphinda. Cheaters, and I nearly said men, but it's cheaters comes from both sides, because cheaters bayafana nezinja is injured. You will help the injured dog. Guess who is going to bite again? Just pinda foot. So don't.
So Mizi, Anonymous, I've got a question for you, for the both of you.
Yeah.
Anonymous, can he afford to keep you? Can he afford to buy you?
No, I think even now, at the moment, I'm just caring so much financially. Like, currently now, I just need to heal, work more on myself, and get a deserving man in my life. Like, I feel like I'm at that point. It's just a matter of me being the best version of myself for myself, and even better for the kids. That's it. Like, no kind of money will make it right for me. The things that he's done. I mean, if Dallas Pharisee tweets one thing, he'll be like, yo, Nami Pella, who am I to judge this guy? And it's not even me judging him. It's just the trauma and the hurt he's put me through.
Hold on, Anonymous. Ungathukani ne?
Please, Anonymous.
Okay, hold on.
Please. We do apologize for that.
Apologies for that. I'm a podcast as Moshi. Anonymous, sometimes also I just thought of something with. I'm not justifying his cheating at all, but sometimes people cheat to get a relief from facing the challenge. Like you could be his challenge, like your intellect, your drive, your confidence, your tonton. So sometimes they gravitate towards something that's easy and just that feels like peace. And it's not because it's your fault. It's because of their insecurities, or they're intimidated by certain things that you are or you do. So they would gravitate to something that feels like it's easy to have and it's peaceful, because it doesn't challenge their intellect, it doesn't challenge their drive or their ambition. And when you could be that, which is not your fault. So basically, people cheat because they expect you to dim their light so that they can see better. And it's not your fault that your light shines brighter. Don't ever dim your light for somebody who's insecure. Because also it's a projection. It's a projection. You would have to be somehow insecure to cheat on someone that is almost close to perfection in terms of what a lover would want from another person. And if the person does not appreciate that, leave them. Please, don't ever fall for his tricks again. Ne?
No, it's amazing. Thank you so much. Sure, this was very super helpful. I think it really helped me to align, because I'm totally leaning more towards what you're saying. That's how I've been feeling, but I'm like, no, maybe I'm just being uptight. Maybe I really jumped the gun, but having looked at everything, the truth is the truth, and the truth is he doesn't deserve me at this point.
Amen.
And I shall run. I shall wear those marathon shoes and run.
All
honestly,
right. And don't listen to your family and his family. Labo, don't listen to them.
And if you take him back, please call us back in a year and tell us. And you know you're gonna take him back. Call us.
No, he's not. She's not naked. I trust you, Anonymous. I trust you.
It seems like Naked is happy with my situation. I am not taking him back. Naked, my heart is naked right now because of that man.
Come on, girl.
Anonymous, I think you ignored so many things, and I think you're still gonna ignore a lot of things. You will be back, trust me.
I have faith in you.
Hi, Anonymous. To hear your advice. And by the way, happy belated birthday, Anonymous. Let's take a listen to your voice notes.
Sanbonani. Anonymous. Mina, I think focus on yourself. Sisi. Let him go. And then go for counseling. Yeah, you must accept that he's gone, and then he doesn't want you. He doesn't love you. So you have to let him go, and then. But focus on fixing you. Fix yourself. Forget about him. He's not gonna be what you want. He's not there. So focus on yourself, heal, and move forward. Move forward. Siyaphambili sis. Thank you.
Anonza. Your man has a wife. I'm laughing at you saying he's at home now because his family summoned him to go home. They are Zulu like that. I'm thinking like, this man is with his wife. This girl you are referring to as a side, that's his wife. That man is probably married to that woman and he wants to take you as a second wife because you have a child with you. You just don't know that you are the side. Anonza, wake up. Wake up, Anonza. System Bulento. There's no side here or anything. Usestengini. You just don't know it yet. Great show, guys. Bati here from Pretoria.
Hello, Metro FM, Kuts, Somizi, and Naked.
Hey.
Advice to Anonymous is Baleka Ntombazana, Kenya or Zombini, and don't even look back. This man is not afraid of losing you because he almost lost you with the drama, with the cops and everything, and he still went back. So if you allow him to put you through something, he knows that you will go through it and come back. So ungasabuyi, show him the door. Anyway, beautiful show.
Hi, kids. Hi, Somgaga, and hi to the Naked DJ and Sis Khopedi. The advice that I have for Anonymous would be to leave the guy. to leave the guy. I've been in the same situation as well. And uzohlezi ekuchazela. Awema uzohlezi ekuchazela, you'll always like get excuses and excuses. But chances are he's never really left with the girl. He's never left the girl at all. And it's gonna exhaust you, it's gonna drain you. The moment he's out of your sight, you're gonna think maybe so it's not healthy unless if you are willing to take that roller coaster ride. But for me, I would just say Marsha. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much for your advice. Before I find out the closing statements from the gents, Mzansi, be in it to win it when you play Powerball Plus for the massive 81 million rand estimated jackpot this Tuesday. You heard right. Play Powerball Plus for an estimated 81 million rand jackpot today, and you could be celebrating the multi-millions. Buy your tickets now in store on nationallottery.co.za, the mobile app or cell phone banking. Panda Pusher Play. Players must be 18 years or older. Play responsibly. Ituba is a proud operator of the National Lottery. Gents?
There are a lot of evil people out there. I mean, I think with that other woman, they said, Begalona ulahlile. She seems like she's got a lot of money. She probably is the one that releases the tenders as well. And they got together and they said, we'll date when you'll be a secret. Financially, we'll be taken care of. Let's just stick it out. And that's what they're doing. And unfortunately, they lied to Anonymous. There's also a part where Anonymous said, a lot of men have been throwing themselves at me, making advances. So you can tell that she's attractive on so many levels, not just physically, financially as well. Anonymous, the vultures are out there circling you. Just be careful. We love you lots.
As I sit here, something really, I'm perturbed. The price of petrol has gone up, and the sales of condoms have gone down.
Hey,
do you know the song that says Emma Tune Nisobona?
It's so music.
I don't know it.
Yes. I just Emma Tune when the price of petrol is high and you guys are not condomizing. So can it be the other way around? Petrol down, sales of the condoms up. Because everyone that calls, sinabantwana bayi 9, sinabantwana bayi 6, unabantwana bayi 3 ngaphandle. I-condom isetshenziswa nini? So please think about it. Petrol or condom?
Sure.